So these are all of the books that I've read this year so far. This was the last one that I finished. I liked it, but there were a little few too many injury descriptions for my liking. This one I listened to actually as an audiobook while I was working, and I liked it mostly. Audio is not really my preferred method of reading just because I can't really pay attention to it, and then why bother? The Schultz biography took me 2 weeks to read, which was a little too long, but it was still good. This one is one of my favorites. It's basically Friday Night Lights, but about hockey in Sweden. So if that show or that movie or even the original book is something that you liked, I do recommend this. It's the third one in a series, so you should read all three of them before that.